Inzala zikantu igazi laphala lo mama bakhalaza. La khala ilizwe lisithi mayibuye. Sadibane ezilokishini, sadibane ezitratweni, safumana umhlaba ubomvu ligazi lolutsha. There was no going forward, no going back. No surrender, no retreat. Diswat Khafar was just about to slap the other cheek who were pissed off about Bantu Biko. Pissed off about Chris Hani. Suddenly we realized we were pissed off about Mangaliso Sobukwe. Saskogelela singabantu abamnyama sidikiwe sathi kwanele basibizela uKhodesa apho basikhathela khona basinika le vote engenamali. Uhulumende akanandaba. Uhulumende akanandaba. The economy was kept in place and enriched. A few house slaves were allowed to sit at the master's table. Now ANC no longer had to grovel. They thought they were high and mighty on Twitter screaming Asnavalo until Jesus came back, and they realized they were eating crumbs, and so they blamed on white capital monopoly. But when they had 2/3 majority, who knows what was stopping them from fixing economic policies. Instead, my leader was more concerned with buying a buffalo. He can't own up to Marikana, now he wants us to put a cross next to his face on the ballot. He can't own up to Marikana, now he wants us to put a cross next to his face on the ballot. It's a cacophony of buffaloes and ballots all wrapped up in a green blanket with no apology. Marikana is still bleeding, leaking like the state entities that public servants are sucking dry. My leaders are more concerned with labels than basics, sitting in expensive houses playing white wishes while they pretend that other blacks are not deserving of schooling, sanitation, and service delivery. In the past, the enemy was a different shade to me, but now my reality is the enemy looks exactly like me.